Hi guys, we will discuss about one new project which name is CryptoStake. CryptoStake is one of the best project in 2021. I advise to everyone please join this project and more benefit you receive. First of all, we will talk about of this project, futures, tokenomics, roadmap, team and how to buy CryptoStake tokens. Everything is mentioned in is this project. Everyone need a more information to click a white paper to receive more information. One pager, audit, GitHub, watch, everything mentioned is there. This is pre-sale is starting in few days, so buy now to click there and join and the pre-sale and the part of the pre-sale. Welcome to the ecosystem. Welcome to the CryptoStake ecosystem. CryptoStake ecosystem is one of the best ecosystem of all the projects. The concept and purpose of this project is very good. I hope that the development team will be able to make every effort to make this project a great and useful project to many peoples. So guys, I think that this company may interest you. It look very promising, and besides it is really good plans for the future and how is the time to join. So everyone join this is a wonderful ecosystem. Everything mentioned there to read this and understand the ecosystem futures. CryptoStake token. CryptoStake token is the one of the best token, and the casino game, this token is used in casino ecosystem. It is used in the exclusive currency, and it is used also in the platform exchange. Everything mentioned is there about, so please read carefully and understand of this project futures of about of token. Scroll down to we will see a key features. This is the key features of this project: efficiency, trust, security, transparency. This is the features of this project who give his members easily. So information about tokens. Pre-sale 20 September 2021. This is a drop 3% of your investment. Public sale and token information. This is the awesome project, awesome token sale, awesome the token allocation. This is fund allocation: 40% development, 30% marketing, but legal operation, airdrop. This is the awesome token allocation, awesome project, awesome allocation. This is the roadmap of this project. Everything mentioned is there: April 2021, July 2021, September 2021, October 2021. Everything mentioned easily to join. Private pre-sale, announcement of project, white paper, creating CSC ecosystem, public sale began. Everything mentioned is there, so every person join this easily, and to more benefit is received. This is the late 2020 February 2022. This all the roadmap sessions are mentioned there. To everyone read carefully everything mentioned there. Everyone understand of their roadmap futures. Supported by Bean Crypto, Crypto News, the Financial Metric, Financial Capital, everything, every coin traffic, Coinzilla, coin ranking, news coin, everything, every big blockchains are supported by this project. So team member is Lon Hollingworth is the one of the best legal advisor of this project, and this is social media link of this project. We will easily to contact of this admins team, community members. So through the social media links we will enter our email and subscribe every update to notification will come to in our email and email address. So this is the wonderful project, so everyone join and everyone join and everyone invest his money in this awesome project. Thank you.